There's a part of you that comes through today, dear Libra, and the energy, the vibration, I'm not sure, I don't even know why I use that word, it's not really common for me, but the energy of this part of you is, I want to fly free now. I'm ready. I want to fly free. And it's beautiful. And you don't want to push that part down. However, what you want to do is take the time to learn and listen and understand what that part of you is referring to. What does it mean when it says, I want to fly free now? What is it referring to? Because it's very easy when you don't listen and you're not present, you're not paying attention, to create meaning that isn't actually true. And then you create meaning and you put that meaning into a particular area of your life, and then you make decisions and try to become free in those areas. But that's not what the I want to fly free was about in the first place. So be careful not to make assumptions. Be really careful about this. Take the time to feel the part of you that expresses or that says, I want to fly free. And it's a feeling more than words. And be present with that part of you. Whether you're being present with that part of you for 5 minutes, a day, a few days, doesn't matter how long it takes. It's better than thinking that you know exactly or assuming what that part wants and then going and applying that in areas of your life where it has nothing to do with flying free.